Hey gang, how you going? Skypilot here. I was going to do a super fabulous awesome video of my HGLRC MotoWhoop 85. However, I suspect it's come into some foul play. So instead of a flight video, yeah, off you go. Instead of an awesome flight video, gang, I'm going to have to put that on hold and revert to a repair video. What actually happened? Yeah, user error, I'm afraid. I flew it into a tree, which is no drama. This is super tough. Didn't disarm it quick enough. So if you guys want to know what happens if you don't disarm your props quickly after you have a little bit of a fall or a tumble, yeah, this is what happens. So I'm going to be up for some repairing. Not to worry, I'm going to have her fixed in a jiffy. See you on the workbench. Of course, flight time of this little 450 on here isn't that long, so let's just go straight into our long range test with our XM Plus. Whoa, she's windy. Welcome back to the workshop, gang. So as you have just seen, my HGLRC MotoWhoop had a small accident which caused the prop guards to break. So what do you do when you have a minor crash? You buy some parts. I've got 3 of them. It's better to have too many than not enough. 1103 8000 kV motor, and the kit here direct from HGLRC, link down below, gang, if you too are requiring another frame. So you can basically get this as a kit, which gives you 4 prop guards, relatively painless gang, out with the old and in with the new. Gee, I'm glad I've got this fixed. I love this thing. Let's see if that motor works. Battery of choice for the MotoWhoop. I've got the ultralight graphite series 460 3S, nice and light and plenty of flight time. Fingers crossed. We have lights. Ooh, it's looking pretty good. Pretty happy with that, guys. That was worked out really well. You might have noticed the yellow shrink locks here. That's just when you got your battery sitting in there, it does tend to knock your prop wires around a bit. So just for some added protection, put some heat shrink on there and it'll just stop those wires from getting rubbed out. Well, that's worked out. That's worked out really well, guys. Really happy with that. Links down below for any of the bits and pieces that you've seen here today in this fix. And I'm going to get out in the open and give the MotoWhoop another run. See you guys real soon. Sky Pilot on the workbench. See you next time. Bye for now. Thanks for stopping by, and check out the rest of my videos where I fly some stuff and I don't crash them.